Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. Today, on today's episode, we're gonna have some fish, guys, some rice with fish. It's an awesome dinner recipe for your family that you can make very easily. And remember, guys, this is where you get the easy peasy recipe that you can make in no time. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate, like, share and follow me on my Instagram page, same name, Caroline Glory. Yeah, let's meet up there, DM me. Yeah, so let's get to it, guys. For my recipe, guys, we'll need just a number of ingredients to make your fish tasty, guys. It's so easy for your lunch, for your dinner. Love it. So yeah, so let me show you what we use for our ingredients, guys. So as I told you, I love tilapia for my fish. This mild tasting fish gets a delicious flavor packed spice wrap from the sugar, the cumin and the paprika. So for ingredients, of course, we'll need, you can use 4 tilapia fillets, but for me I'll use 2 tilapia.
Wool up, just wool up.
2 tilapia fillets for my lunch. And then we'll have 1 tablespoon of sugar. We'll have 2 teaspoons of cumin, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we'll have 2 tablespoons of oil, and then 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We'll have 1 teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano. You can get that in the supermarket. It's just only 40 shillings and you have a pack of oregano. And then you have 1 teaspoon of paprika, and then of course for your seasoning you'll need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. It normally makes the fish really tasty, guys. So that's it, guys. Only this and your tilapia fish will be so tasty. So let's get to it, guys. It's so easy, super easy. Let's get to it, guys. So we combine all our spices together. Oh, the smell, oh, amazing, guys. You will love this fish, guys. You will love it. You will love it. So we'll wrap this mix all over our tilapia. And then turn it, and we put on the other side. Wrap it. Make sure the spices get inside the fish. Makes them really tasty, guys. Really tasty. All over. So next, in a large skillet of a medium heat, we'll heat our oil. Let it rest for 1 minute. So next, guys, we'll add our tilapia, and then we'll cook it until crust is quickly golden and fish flakes easily with a fork. So we'll cook at least 3 minutes per side. On every side. I like checking with my fork. So guys, we'll cook until we see the crust is golden, deeply golden. That's why I call my recipe sweet blackened tilapia. Once you try this fish recipe, guys, you always eat fish. I know those guys who say, oh, fish is like so tasteless. Yes, it's tasteless when you overcook it, guys, but I'm telling you guys, this recipe, you always cook fish in your family, for your family, guys, every single day. So how do you know like your fish is done? It normally flakes easily when you use a fork. That's how you know your fish is done, guys. So we'll come to the other side easily. Oh, look at this, guys! Amazing. So we'll cook for 3 minutes and another 3 minutes. So guys, as you can see, it flakes easily when I do that. So it's well done. So boil your rice, 1 cup of rice, a boiled one. It goes well with your rice. And then now, guys, I want us to make an awesome avocado salsa, and this is what we'll need for our ingredients. We'll need 2 avocados diced, 2 tomatoes diced also, and then we'll need 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we'll use some lime juice, some salt, of course, black pepper, and then of course we'll have dhania, some parsley. You cut them, and then that's it. We'll toss avocado, our tomato, and then we'll add oil, lime juice, and then we'll season with salt and pepper. So yummy, guys. So guys, make that healthy fish. You will enjoy it. It's so tasty. Look at this, guys. The crust is really golden and the fish is done. You can see it's well done. The salsa on top, and then it goes well, really well with the white rice. guys, I can't wait for a taste. Yeah, so a bit of some fish. So tasty, guys. You can feel the different taste. That's what I love about the fish. The way when you cook this fish, this is why I love it. When you cook it like this, it tastes so nice. It's so tasty. It has that flavor. You want to feel the taste of fish? Try my recipe, guys. You will love it. It goes well with the white rice, the avocado salsa, just on point. Follow my recipe step by step. If there's a way, there's a place that you don't understand, you can always comment, and I'll DM me on Instagram, same name, Caroline Glory, and I will definitely reply. I'll get back to you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Continue sharing the video. Give it a thumbs up if you love my content. You can even tell me what you would love for me to prepare next for you guys, and I will definitely do that. I normally like preparing this even when I have like friends over, they come for brunch, and I know that I have that fish in the freezer. I just get it done, and it's done, and it's amazing, guys. So anyway, that's it from me, guys. So bye.